A Monroe family is headed to trial with Jeep's parent companies FCA and Stellantis after they claim that they have dealt with multiple issues with their hybrid Grand Cherokee, including the vehicle shutting off in the middle of the highway. Michael Sandlin sat down with the family and has more for us tonight. Sounds like they are frustrated with this.
Yeah, Jeff, the Phillips family chose the Jeep brand back in 2023 because they wanted a safe and reliable ride. But they say their SUV has been anything but, spending months in the shot and on one occasion leaving the family in a dangerous situation. When you have a young child in your back seat, it's a risk you simply don't want to take.
This is a family car and it's unsafe, and I'm doing what's best for my family.
That's how PJ and Carly Phillips are feeling now about their 2023 Grand Cherokee 4xe. The hybrid SUV by Jeep. Back when they first purchased it in the summer of 2023, it was an exciting upgrade for their growing family.
There's Nico's ride.
But that excitement quickly faded.
Pretty shortly afterwards, we started noticing just small glitches in like the screen and the backup camera, things that were pretty minor. It wasn't until that winter that like our heat went out, the backup camera was totally out. It ended up being in the dealership for like combined over 30 days.
That's when PJ started looking into Michigan's lemon laws, rules to protect consumers when they buy defective goods. In Michigan, if a vehicle has been repaired 4 times or more and has been in the shop for 30 days or longer, it's legally defective and can be refunded or replaced.
I don't know if people think this is normal, but for a car that's less than 2 years old, these are all the service invoices for all the work that it's had done.
PJ reached out to FCA, a subsidiary of Stellantis, the multinational conglomerate that represents Jeep, and the company began arbitration with the family over their issues. While the Phillips say the company didn't accept a full refund or trade, they did toss the family a little something.
They offered me customer retention, like payment for our troubles and problems, and we thought the car was fine.
But only months later, they say problems started back up again. The family reported that the car wouldn't charge, and then the screens kept acting up. But then something happened in May of this year they will never forget.
I was going on 75 south around like the Newport exit. I was going, 70 miles an hour. I was in the fast lane, and all of a sudden the car just totally shut off on me. The dashboard lit up. It was showing all these error codes. Traffic was light, thank goodness, and I was able to get to the right edge.
A terrifying incident. And when the Phillips submitted their second arbitration request, they say this time it was accepted. But when they looked at the paperwork, it didn't look right.
The customer service retention payment they gave us and the current mileage on the car she used as an offset.
But they want the full refund, and all the while still paying more than $700 a month on a lease for a car that remains in the shop to this very day.
We haven't seen it since May 9th, May 8th.
May of 2025.
A Michigan judge agreed with the family and removed the arbitrator's ruling, calling it an improper use of law, and vacated the arbitration. Now the family is going to fight in court for everything they say they're owed, and FCA is looking to fight back with a full jury trial.
If they're ignoring us and stonewalling us, this could turn into a pretty large case, unfortunately.
This is the only way that we can do anything about it right now.
Meanwhile, just last month, Stellantis announced a recall for 92,000 of their 4xe hybrids, recalling models from 2022 through 2026, including the exact vehicle the Phillips family has, citing software errors that can cause the vehicle to lose power while driving. Now, we reached out to Stellantis for a statement, who wrote back in part, "The safety of our customers is a top priority, and the company is actively deploying a remedy for this campaign. The company is unaware of any related accidents or injuries. Affected customers will be advised when they may obtain service, which will be provided free of charge." Now, you can read the full statement over at WTOL.com. In studio, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.